So welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at Adobe's new AI, and is it worth the time, and does it make a difference? So I've already done this to one image here, and so I have an original Nikon file, and then when you convert it or use this enhanced details, it is saving to a DNG or digital negative. So we're going to go through the process here real quick. This is a little unusual, so I'm just going to hit Command O for open. And the file I want to use is right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say open. I've already found one glitch in this, and I will show you that in a second. So this is our original file, and if you want to get to the enhanced details, you're going to come up in here and hit this window and drop down, and there's a little window called enhanced details. Now it takes a second. It has to run through and kind of generate this preview before you can even use it. However, I will tell you, I can't see any difference in this little teeny tiny window at all. So it's very, very difficult to see. It's difficult to see in the full size image. So this little preview window is kind of a waste of time. It also takes time to convert this over. This is a graphics intensive program. You don't have a separate graphics processor, you're gonna have issues. Now, my computer's not brand new, but it is like top of the line Mac Pro with top of the line graphics program from about 3 years ago. And you can see it's going to take a little bit of time to do this. So it's estimating about 2 minutes to convert over. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this enhance, and we're going to let it run through the process, and then I'll come back to you. So you'll see down here, this is it kind of rendering the new image. And once this stops, a DNG will pop up here. Now this is causing my computer to act up. I've never had this happen before, but my mouth is not smooth now. It kind of jumps all over the place. So it really is eating a lot of the graphics card. We have the new image here. So this is our DNG enhanced version, and this is our raw versions. And this is going to lead us into the first issue that I found. So normally you can select both of these images and open them. However, it doesn't work. We're going to just be able to open one image, and then I have to go back in to open the same image over again. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to make any adjustments. I'm just going to hit open image. And then I'm going to hit Command Open again. And so this DNG is the new image that we have. So here's that new image where it's converted it. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Open Image there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in and take a look at this to see if there is a difference in image quality. I'm going to count, and we're going to go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll try 7 at first. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so now we have the same amount of zoom in the images. So this CR2 file is what we're looking at first. And this is the original image. The DNG is going to be the new image. So this is the old image, and this is the new image. So the old image and the new image. And the difference is really, 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 really minute. It's hard to tell. What it looks like is it's giving us a little bit more contrast in the image. And the issues I found are here in this. So now we're going to look at this sky here and these two different images. And right here, the sky is sort of subtle. You don't want a sharpened sky. So it's kind of flat in the contrast, but you'll notice when I go to the new enhanced one, the sky actually has more contrast in it as well. So one of the issues I'm seeing is that's great to enhance detail, but you don't want it in skin or smooth areas or all over the entire image. And that's one reason sharpening is great, because you can isolate that to specific areas. In my opinion, is that I don't really see the benefit. First of all, it takes up too much time. It's slowing my computer down. And is there enough that it's doing to make it worthwhile for images? I would say no. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And don't forget to subscribe.